Hi, today we're gonna make chicken pot pie. First, you fry the chicken for 3 minutes and then you add in the onions and you fry for another 2 more minutes. Next, you add in the celery. Then you add in the mushroom. After 3 minutes, you can see that the mushroom is browning and you can smell the fragrance from the food. Now, you can add half a cup of red wine. This red wine adds color to the food. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tarragon into the dish. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of thyme to the dish. The spices makes the dish more flavorful. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of green peas to the dish. Green peas make the dish so colorful. I'm adding a cup of chicken stock into the dish. Now I add half a cup of milk to the dish to thicken the gravy. I've put all the ingredients into the glass dish and put the pastry over the glass dish, and you have to seal the sides of the dish. You just have to press it down in each and every side of it. You can brush some egg wash across the pastry. Bake it in a preheated oven of 425 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And this is what you get.